A vaccine recipient at Decatur-Morgan Hospital had a severe allergic reaction to the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine yesterday. The Alabama Department of Health says the person experienced anaphylaxis just minutes after receiving it. ADPH says this is the first allergic reaction they have heard of out of over 15,000 vaccine doses that have been administered in the state. They say the patient had a previous history of anaphylaxis to biologic agents and, following a risk assessment, wished to proceed with the vaccine. Nationwide, only 6 people have been reported to have experienced anaphylaxis after the vaccine.